Welcome back. Now inside the design menu, you'll notice that you have a page background tab. You have some options that you can use in order to customize your document. One is a watermark, and basically when we click the watermark button, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing special text on the document that will appear in a light tone so that we can let the reader know that they should treat the document differently than if they just received it without any instruction. So for example, if we click watermark, what we're going to see is that we have some customized text. We can use confidential, we can use do not copy, or we can use do not copy. And again, all of these are variations of the other. We can also write in a custom watermark. We can use a picture watermark, and that would include our logo or some other kind of picture. Or we can write in a text watermark. And you'll see that Office gives us some other options: ASAP, confidential, copy, draft, or original. We can choose the font and the size. We can choose whether or not the layout's going to be diagonal or horizontal. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click OK. And what you'll notice is that you'll see the word draft on the document in the background. What we can also do is we can change the page color. So for example, if we click this button, we can choose a color that we can make our document, as you can see here in the preview. What we can also do is we can fill our document. And in this case, we can use a gradient, we can use a texture of some kind, we can use a pattern, or we can use a picture if we want to brand our document. And we're now going to click OK. You'll notice that this picture is in the background. And one thing you're going to notice is that this image is not going to be transparent. And let's assume that what you want is you want the image to be transparent. So if you wanted the picture to be transparent, what you'd do is you'd go back to your watermark. You'd go back to the custom watermark. What you do is you'd select a picture watermark, and you're going to make sure that this washout is going to be clicked here. You're going to select your picture. You're going to scale your picture as to how you want it to appear. And then you'll click OK. And you'll notice then that your picture appears in the background, yet it's going to be washed out and appearing against the text. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.